let's make sausage. Okay, then I want to first of all make the sausage sauce, and this is my own rich recipe. Let me take you guys along with me. Alright, this is my potato, and I have my garlic. I do not have garlic powder, so I'm using the fresh garlic. I have my onions. I do not have onions powder, but I'm using the white, the fresh one. I will be putting them inside my little pots. That is it. Add more potatoes to it. Cut in my potato, onions, garlic. So I have my fresh beef, grounded one. So I'm gonna be using this pot to utilize it. I need onions. Some onions inside. I need my salt, my Maggi. I will be using 1 cube of Maggi. And put salt inside. Then let's steam our meat. Let me put a little bit of black pepper. Let's go and steam our meat. Put some water inside to steam the meat. Then I cover for the meat to get cooked. Let's mix our flour, our dough for sausage. Then my baking powder. I'm using 1.5 baking powder. There's some paprika. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then 2nd teaspoon of salt. A little teaspoon of sugar. Then my butter. Then I have my 2 eggs with a little quantity of my milk. Here's my potato. Then with some cooked beef. This is my booster. This is for the sausage, guys. Then I will put 2 eggs inside. I want to make a rich sausage sauce. Okay. Yes, we are back to our sausage. This is my flour. I've already made my sauce for my dough. Okay, this is the sauce that I was blending before with potato, Worcester, grounded meat, etc, etc. So I put them in the fridge to relax a little bit. So, did you know what I put inside here? I forgot. When I was mixing my sausage dough, then I had paprika to eat, but it was not in the video. I forgot. Sorry, guys. I have my egg that I'm going to be using to seal it. sausage sauce. Now I'm going to pick it little by little to roll it. So I will use my head. This is the part that I need. I want to sigil it. Guys, we are done baking our sausage. This is sausage. As it is now, we are done. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. Oh, it's hot. This is inside. This is really yummy, guys. Thank you so much for watching this wonderful video. I love you. See you on our next video.